Okay, let's talk about digital wallets. That tap-to-pay magic we all use every single day. It's so fast, so simple. But that convenience has, you guessed it, opened up a whole new playground for criminals. So today, we're going to break down exactly how they do it, and more importantly, how you can stay one step ahead. Right, let's just start with how normal this has become. That feeling of just breezing through the checkout line, tapping your phone or your watch, and you're done. I mean, it's a tiny little thing, but it has completely changed the way we handle our money day to day. But, that slick, easy process does make you wonder, doesn't it? Just how safe is it really? We put a ton of trust into these systems every time we tap, but do we actually know what the real risks are? And it doesn't matter if you're Team Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, the experience is basically the same. It's seamless, it's fast, and it works pretty much everywhere. It's modern life designed. And right there, that's the catch. That incredible convenience we love so much, well, that's also the crack in the armor. For criminals, it's not a bug, it's a feature. It's a brand new and very profitable way to get to your money. So let's pull back the curtain on what we're calling the digital wallet heist. It's really time we all understood what the actual threat is, because I promise you it is probably not what you're thinking. And here it is. This is the big misconception, the thing that trips everybody up. We all worry about some super hacker breaking into our phone, right? But the reality is so much simpler, and honestly, a lot scarier. They aren't hacking your device. They're adding your credit card to their device. So how in the world do they manage that? Well, it's a pretty straightforward three-step trick. Step 1, and this is the most important part, they have to get your card details. This isn't a high-tech hack. It's a scam. They trick you. After they have your numbers, they just punch them into their own digital wallet. And from that moment on, they can just walk around tapping and spending your money with their phone. So you see, that first step is everything. The whole scam falls apart if they can't get your details. So the real question is, how are they getting that information? Well, they're experts at setting digital traps, and they're waiting for you to walk into one. And they're using the classics, the tried and true methods. Phishing is huge. Those fake texts that look like they're from your bank? The ones that say your account is locked and you need to click a link right now? That's the bait. Or maybe it's malware on your device, quietly logging everything you type. Or they might just go old school and call you, pretending to be from the bank's fraud department. Okay, enough of the scary stuff. Let's talk about how to fight back, because here's the good news. You do not need to be a cybersecurity expert to protect yourself. It's all about building a few simple but really powerful habits. Let's build your defense plan. Your best weapon here is just a healthy dose of skepticism. Get a weird text out of the blue? Be suspicious. Don't know who sent that email? Don't click the link. And this one is huge. Check your bank transactions regularly. And if you ever get a scary message or call about your account being compromised, just hang up. Find the official number for your bank, like on the back of your card, and call them yourself. If there is only one thing that you take away from all of this, please let it be this. Your bank will never, ever call you up or text you asking for your password, your PIN, or those one-time codes. That info is for your eyes only. Anyone who asks for it is a scammer. Full stop. All right, but let's just say the worst happens. You think you've been scammed. Now is not the time to panic. Now is the time for an emergency response plan. Acting fast can literally save you. First thing, the second you see a transaction you don't recognize, call your bank. Don't wait. Second, if you even think your card details might be out there, go into your banking app and freeze or cancel that card right away. And finally, make sure you file an official report. It helps the authorities go after these guys and helps protect other people too. And listen, you are not alone when this happens. For our viewers in Australia, for instance, there are specific organizations ready to help. Report Cyber is where you go when you've lost money or personal info. ScamWatch is great because they track what the criminals are up to. And ID Care is a fantastic nonprofit that helps people deal with the mess of identity theft. So we'll end on this question for you to think about. Our wallets have gone completely digital, right? They live inside our phones now. But has our sense of caution, our vigilance, gone digital with it? The technology is amazing, but our security, well, that's still up to us. Something to remember the next time you tap to pay.